Welcome to our post-game press conference. Our player of the game is Don Troliano, joined by Coach Leo Austria of San Miguel. Gentlemen, congratulations. Series is now tied 1-1. Coach Leo, an adjustment you made. You started Chris Ross for the first time in a long time, and then sabay si Mo and Junmar as well. Just talk about that adjustment and how that made an impact with the way you wanted to start the game as well.
Yeah, matagal kami magkasama ni Chris Ross as since our first championship. And every championship, alam ko, nag-step up siya, starting from the playoffs. And then tonight, nakita natin how important he is. Doon yung kanyang leadership, and then yung distribution ng bola, and then comfortable sa kanya yung mga players as a point guard. And then we're so lucky because we did not commit a lot of turnovers. I think this is 10 turnovers. We're averaging before 15, and then you can see naman on the stats So it's a balanced scoring from the bench at saka itong starter namin. We scored I think 50 and 48. Well, balance to. And that's the key. Because the first group relying more on the bench because they need rest, especially Junmar. Okay, and then Mo, I'm happy for Mo. He's playing well and nag-start siya after a few misses na nag-start siya sa game, and everybody, they're doing the role, and even Jeron Teng, pagpasok niya, I think he scored in double figure 10 points, ganyan, medyo very eager lang siyang umiscore, but we told him na, Jeron, this is a team game, okay, you should know what to do, because we need you in the game, as long as now you're playing good defense, and your hustle is there, the energy is there, so we have no problem with it.
Thank you, Coach. Don, galing ka sa laro where you shot 4 out of 13, 30.8%. But something na napatunayan mo sa liga is you're not shy to shoot kahit anong punto pa yan ng laro. Where is this confidence coming from and how are you able to build this level of confidence?
I work out every day. I work on my game. So, doon nanggagaling yung confidence ko kasi workout ko naman siya. Kung isa ko ng 0 out of 20, I'm still gonna shoot, diba? Whatever happened, I'm there inside. Nagtiwala sa akin si coach. So, yeah, kailangan ko lang sa player.
Before I turn over to the press, Coach Leo, just sa sinabi ni Don, kahit magbintis siya ng marami, the trust is not there from you. Ano yung makikita mo kahit Don, Coach, to keep him even at the crucial points of the game?
Yeah, very steady siya from the start of the second quarter, I know na makikita mo naman sa body language niya. Unlike in the practice, makikita mo, tatawa-tawa lang siya. Pero tonight, makita mo, seryoso siya. And that's a sign of a body language na he wants to win. After a loss, I think we have to bounce back. And everybody realize na we have to step up dahil hindi birong malagay sa 0-2. And then now, we reduce the series into best of 5. So next game is very important for us, dahil for them also, that is pivotal because sabi ko nga before, this is just like a chess match. So it's a move of adjustment.
Now we're ready for the questions from the media.
Coach Leo, congratulations. Sa likod lang ako, Coach. Coach, siyempre, very frustrating yung talo nung Game 1. Paano nyo binalanse na hindi kayo ma-demoralize dun sa nangyari, sa maging motivated kayo to bounce back and to prove na yun, yung nangyari sa Game 1, hindi ma-apektuhan kayo sa Game 2?
Yeah, we've been in this adversity and we know what to do. And plus, the support of the management, especially Coach Al, he was there in our practice, to motivate us, and it's a big, it's a good, a good support from the management. Dahil alam nila kaya pa rin namin manalo, and pinatunayan namin ngayon And I told them na the chances is still there. Okay, it's a game of best of 7, so it's just a 1 loss. Before, there's a lot of championship series for us, naunahan talaga kami first game. So, parang iniisip namin baka ito yung pattern para sa amin. And I hope sana magkatotoo ito. But, talagang hindi kami tulog eh. Halos lahat. Pagdating namin sa practice, after nung game, Monday, wala kaming masabi until na dumating yung management. So, wala na tayong magagawa. So, we have to fight back and then bounce back. And then, this is what happened. Makikita mo naman sa body language ng mga player they want to win.
O si Mo, kumusta yung frame of mind niya after that game 1 and paano niyo siya motivate to yun nga kapag-contribute dito sa panalo niyo?
Si Mo? Sino?
Kasi hindi mo rin naintindihan.
Again, sorry.
Si Mo, kumusta yung paano niyo siya motivate na hindi siya ma-apekto doon sa nangyari? And
hindi namin masyado pinag-usapan what happened doon sa dunk niya. And makikita mo naman tonight, nag-dunk uli siya nag-miss ganyan that's how we handle that kind of situation for player. Hindi kailangan ma-pressure dahil alam naman natin player pagka marami kang narinig, marami kang sinabi, parang maraming analysis, nagiging paralysis and we just let him play. And then, naiintindihan niya mo. That's why, before the start of the game, pagdating niya dito sa dugout, Mo, ako pa nagtanong sa kanya, Mo, if it is okay, I will start you tonight. Sabi niya, yes, coach. Biglang nagbilis agad, nag-warm up. Kaya sabi ko, this is sign of I know, he will bounce back. And he is a good help to our team tonight.
Ano lang masabi mo sa impact ni Chris Ross kanina in terms, lalo na sa depensa, parang ang dami niyang na-force na turnover.
Given na talaga yun yung defense niya, that's his game but yung impact niya, yung leadership niya, he knows what to do, this is the championship, and kilala ko siya, alam niya, kahit hindi siya umi-score o bad wala sa kanya, as long as na inaalagaan niya yung mga teammate niya sa loob. And that's what happened. And what more, kung nakaka-score pa siya, because of still defensive skills niya, talagang marami nag-miss Especially yung mga fast break na sure 2 points. Instead na maka 2 points sila, kami nakaka 2 points. That's a big help because the game is so close. And I think 1 or 2 turnovers, I think it will cause a game And I'm so happy with him dahil talagang yung worth niya, pinakita niya.
Don, after nung na-overturn yung dunk ni Mo Tautua, ikaw ata yung fumaul after nun, di ba? Gano'ng kabigat sa iyo nun, yung nangyaring yun? And paano naman yung bounce back mo in a way na hindi mo naiisipin yung nangyaring yun for this game?
Well, nung nangyari yun, actually, syempre galit kami kasi I think we're about to win. And syempre, yun nga, nangyari yun. Actually, hindi rin ako nakatulog I'm so eager to bounce back. And yeah, we bounce back tonight.
Coach, ano lang kasi, although you dominated the paint in the first half, parang struggling pa rin kayo sa outside shooting nyo. So, is this something na you want to work on?
Yeah, you have to give credit also at the defense of Token Texan And dahil all of our shots in the perimeter are contested Actually, yung mga tira ni Don sa labas his own creation na yun out of our patterns. But what is important is after kami doon sa high percentage, and yung first game namin ganun din and what we did right now, medyo na-limit namin ng kaunti yung kanilang 3-point shooting. Last time, I think 20 beyond the arc tinira nila. That's why they scored 63 points dito sa beyond the arc last time. And tonight 17 of 31. Medyo malaki pa rin pero 11 of 37. 11 of 37 talagang kalahati yun nawala And I think what we told them we should go to our high percentage shooting. Which is the shaded area. And makikita mo naman, dominated dito sa 2 points area, napakalaki in score namin.